Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and here be able to upload pictures from a gallery and pretty much edit it. So as you can see here, it will just show you like a preview of their features and so forth. Nothing much. So if you tap on the from gallery option, it would ask you access to the gallery. Just tap on allow here, and you'll be able to select a picture from a gallery as you can see here. And I can go ahead and pretty much edit this picture here. So as I can see, we'll just give you a quick rundown as it relates to the application. You can just keep that off and you're pretty much good to go. So here you can see a lot of filters which you can use. You have this filter here, you have other filters here which you can use as well. You have some other filters here which you can use. This is pretty much a filter based application. So if I do tap on one of these, here it will pretty much filter the picture as you can see here, and it will give it this effect. And if you don't want it to be that test intensive, you can pretty much adjust it down here as you can see. So you'll be able to see the text a bit more clear. So that's too low, but this is pretty much okay. But although I still can't see the text, but yeah, that's pretty much it. As well, you can select the format or the whichever one of the formats you want to receive the photo on or the image on as well. So you're going to need a pro subscription here for this feature. So you have to tap on the become pro option to unlock those formats which you can use or get the image on. So you have for the subscription here, you have a weekly subscription, and they do give you a 3 days free trial. So that's just no monthly subscription, just a weekly subscription here, and they do offer a 3 days free trial, so you can test out their features and so forth. So once you're finished, you'll pretty much tap on the save icon here. As you can see, it will be automatically saved to your gallery, and they do have watermarks. If you're gonna remove those watermarks, you're gonna need a subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if I can help you out.